So I've been working on my ram pump here over the course of the last couple of months. This is my headwater. Comes out of a little pipe out of the ground. Very little water right now. It's just a trickle, so I'm damming up my water so I can display how the ram pump works. It's my dam. Goes from a 4-inch to a 3-inch and down to a 1-inch. Got about 8 feet of drop or so with this system. I'd say my pipe's probably close to 150, 175 feet long or so. And this is the ram pump down here by the horse pen. An old upcycled propane tank as a holding tank. Go ahead and get it started up here. Made a few modifications. I added a bigger waste valve and put some weights on it. It's an 1.5-inch valve. The old 1-inch valve only got me up to about 45 psi or so. We'll get this thing started and see what it does. First try. Nice to have some air in the system. It's not wanting to take off on its own yet. There it goes. Oh, I know why, because I left my holding tank valve open. Try this. There she goes. Off on her own. That's already over what we were making with the 1-inch valve. Kind of scared to stand too close to this thing knowing that I'm the one that built it. I think once I get to 65 psi, I'm going to take a few steps back. Assuming it gets that far. Still climbing pretty good though. I think if I put more weights on it, I'll get even higher pressure yet. Still gaining, but not much. I think I might just come back here in a few minutes and see what it gets to.